What's up, Xiaomi fans? In case you missed the Mi 11 global launch event yesterday, here's a recap for you. It started with the announcement Xiaomi is now top 3 smartphone brand worldwide. And even in a very challenging year in 2020, they invested a total of $1.3 billion in research and development. And Xiaomi also showed us their special labs, which they do endless rigorous testing. They have the camera lab, the audio lab, 5G lab, antenna lab, stability testing lab, and display optics lab. And also they've added a recap on what Xiaomi has achieved in 2020. And a few to mention, we have the 108 megapixel world's highest smartphone camera, under display camera, telescopic camera, #1 in DxO Mark for photo, video, and audio with the Mi 10T Pro, and the world's first 120 watts wired charging. It also is the first in 80 watts fast wireless charging. They also launched the surround display with the Mi Mix Alpha, and also the 144Hz adaptive sync, true color display, and the 160 degrees light sensor. And Xiaomi has grown tremendously last year. And for the main event is the Mi 11 flagship phone. With the studio level cameras, Mi 11 is built to create movie magic. It has 3 rear cameras. We have the 108 megapixel main shooter, 123 degrees ultra wide angle lens, and a tele macro lens. They've also added a one-click AI cinema for some great video effects. In just one click, you'll have some great effects on your video. So these are time freeze, the magic zoom, nighttime lapse, freeze frame, parallel world, and also slow shutter. Also, they have added 8 professional tuned filters, and you can expect a preset color grade A studio level editing experience with the Mi 11. And Mi 11 is said to have a great night video quality with its ultra night video. Not only that, there's more, so you can actually shoot 8K videos, photo mode on 3 cameras, AI Erase 2.0, and the Pro time-lapse. And moving along to its display, which is one of the key features of this phone, the screen size is 6.81 inches, which is a wide quad HD plus resolution. And a few to highlight on this display, we have the adaptive sync up to 120 Hz, which supports HDR10+, True Color, E4 AMOLED screen, and a 1500 nits peak brightness. And was awarded Best Smartphone Display by DisplayMate. And I would say one of the best sounding smartphone this year, as they equipped the Mi 11 with dual speakers sounded by Harman Kardon. You can actually connect a dual Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth speakers because this doesn't have the headphones jack. I've been using the Mi 10 and I love the curved design for both the front and the back, and I love it because they kept it with the Mi 11. They still have the curved front design and the back curved design as well, but now it is 12 grams lighter and 0.9 millimeter thinner than the Mi 10. The camera is a single piece of glass and it's just beautiful. The front screen is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which on paper can withstand a drop of 2 meters. And looking at the bottom, we have the speakers as a wave design. Under the hood, Mi 11 is the world's first smartphone launched with the Snapdragon 888. With a battery size of 4600 mAh, it has a 55 watts wired charging, 50 watts wireless charging, 10 watts reverse wireless charging, and also supports Wi-Fi 6, and with 2 variants, the 8GB RAM, which is 128GB, and we have the 8GB RAM with a 256GB internal memory, and the UFS 3.1. And I was surprised because the Mi 11 launch in China didn't come with a power charger, but for this global version, it comes with the 55 watts GAN charger. And also in the box is an antibacterial screen protector and case. They've also added a voice isolation feature, improved the haptics feedback, and also included an in-display heart rate monitor using the fingerprint scanner. The Mi 11 is a great phone this 2021, and I can't wait to try this phone as well as use this phone as my daily driver, as my main phone. And the Mi 11 Special Edition will be coming soon, which is signed by Legion, the Xiaomi founder and CEO. They've also announced 2 new products: the Mi Electric Scooter Pro 2 Mercedes-AMG Petronas F1 Team Edition and the Mi TV Q1 75 inches. Before we end this video, they've also revealed the price. So I was expecting it to be over $1,000 US. To my surprise, it only cost 749 euros, which is about $900 US, which is still a good price because this phone is packed with features and you will get more than what you paid for. They've also included a 2 years warranty, and on the first year, if you break the glass, they will repair it for free. How good is that? Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.